welcome TAYA Finance Airdrop testnet. We will do today, and I will trying to show you in here. So how do you participate in this airdrop? Totally easy way, straightforward way. I will share with you. Just watch this video and observe and apply and take action and do the airdrop in your way. So I will show you today. I will show you inside of this video how do you participate in the TAYA Finance Airdrop, and you will watch this. After watching this video, you will immediately take action that I'm going to do inside of this video. So simply go through this link. That link will bring you your Chrome browser inside of your mobile phone or inside of your PC. Okay, now you need to just wait in here, just verification purpose. This verification will be pop up, then it will be bring you inside of the main page where every task will be for you. Just we will do complete those tasks, and we will earning as much point as possible, and then those points would be money in the future of airdrop. Okay, so first point section, this is available. You can earn here. Dashboard under construction, they are working on there. Everything is working on there. Just point is available because of while they will go into mainnet, this button would be available. But point section go, and you need to, how do you need to do, you need to earn as much point as possible. So simple click is of this, and it will be so load up in here. Now after loading, you need to connect your wallet. Just simply click on here. Your Metamask should be added in the extension section. If you are using mobile phone, use Mes Browser or Kiwi. If you are PC, you already know how to do it. So add that Metamask and set it up, then click the EVM. Immediately Metamask will be pop up. Now so simply click on unlock, click the connect button, and you will click on here. It will be load up, sign in, confirm it. Again, click connect to wallet, go through to it, and that will bring you in the another tab, but it is not opening. It will do slightly problem. Okay, just tap twice a time and wait for this default post it. Go through this view option or go through your profile, then copy this link and you need to paste it into here in order to connect it. Okay, because of they need to prove you that either you want this account or not. So wallet connect. Now go through this follow option, follow them. Okay, it will take nearly 15 seconds. We will not do waiting, we will do another task, then later on we will do verify. Okay, first we will do the action that they're trying to say to us to do. So we will do first the task, then we will be verified, because we cannot wait 15 seconds for waiting the getting verified. So how do you do? Now go through first on, you will get verification option and it will be verified. Okay, simply verified was somewhere. And then second on, get verify, again click on the verification button, it will be. Then third on, again click the verification button and it will be verified immediately. Okay, as simple as that. Now the fourth section, this on is you've done these 3 tasks. Now you'll be able to get 5 points nearly for doing just Twitter task. So simply claim your 5 star. Okay, then move into the join Discord. Okay, click on there, connect Discord, click the connect button, and your Discord, if it is available in here, your Discord will be connected. If it is task problem, all you need to do, just cut it out, then click the connect, then it will be solved. Okay, probably it makes sense you how does it is working. So click the authorize. Now it will be authorized with it. Okay, if haven't any problem, it will be connected. Okay, so refresh again, and okay, I need to join. Okay, go through and join, then click the again that way. Okay, Twitter task you done, you know how to do that. Same thing you need to do in here as well too. Okay, so done. Now I'll click the verification, verify. It will be verified immediately probably. Okay, verified. Now Discord claim XP reward 2 point twister we will get from here. Now it is done. So now go through second round. Okay, loading and come through here. Twitter task just pretty simple would be, okay, cause of Twitter task is pretty simple, straightforward, cause of it is simple. Okay, do those tasks that is required to do, cause of we need to do. So simply it is load up, repost it. Now go through the third one, cause of we will not do it, we will do the same way as I'm doing, and you are probably get the knowledge how to do it, how to save time as well in here. You are not wasting any time in here. So click the verification button, it will be verified as well too. So go through again in here, it is very, you will get again the verification button, so verify it, probably it is done as well too. Okay, so everything is pretty simple, just you need to go through it and do that task. Okay, so simply XP points. What you need to do now, click the claim 5 star. Okay, that hasn't there. So now if you noticed everything done, now click the referral. If you want to refer somebody, you can put your custom referral code. Let's say your name is John, just put John 11 for getting the referral code. So interference code, if I refer you, you can put my refer in here, or if somebody refer you, put his referral code in here. You don't need to put my own. Okay, I'm just saying, because of if you are referred by me, you can put and click the submit button, it will be submitted. Okay, you are referred by Ranga Finance. Okay, simple as that, probably makes sense to you. And if that video slightly give you a value, please do consider to subscribe and share this video with other people that are doing airdrop and want to make money through online. Okay, and then join Telegram channel in order to get the link. Our Telegram channel, if you noticed in here, this one include the same face, sorry, same face pic. So here is me. Okay, so 250 subscriber from different country, you already know, and you are from different country, and crypto makes this thing, because of crypto is everywhere, it is to west, so you can be part of us from world and universal group. So be join and be honor.